Hey guys, I am back at it again with another room tour. I am in Toronto. Yes, Toronto. I'm doing a little short weekend trip, so I wanted to show you my accommodations and where I'm staying. I am at the Holiday Inn in Toronto downtown. It's on 30 Carlton Street. And this is what my room looks like. This is the King Executive Suite. So I'm gonna start off with the bathroom, which is honestly, it's on the smaller side, but it's nice. Oh, look at these Dove products. I have never seen a soap this small. It's so cute. So they have their products here. And their sink is right in the corner. I would think that it would be like here in front of the mirror, but it's not. But I actually kind of like it. But yeah, you can only fit really one person in here. And even then, when you go to the bathroom, I'm sorry to all the people that like to have the door open, but you really can't even have the door open. You have to close it. And here is the shower. This is on the smaller side too, as you can see. So yeah, guys, this is the dryer. Thankfully they have enough towels, especially since it's just me. They better have enough towels. And then here's the closet, which is extremely important, guys, because look at this. There is a fridge. And this fridge is pretty big. Yay. So if I have any leftovers, I can go and put my leftovers in the fridge, which is great. Here's an ice bucket for my ice bucket heads. Safety lockbox, all that good stuff. Ironing board, good stuff. And here comes the bedroom area. We have one bench. It's kind of in a weird spot, at least in my opinion. I don't know about you guys, but it's a little weird. Oh, maybe that could be where you put your luggage? I don't know. But here is a mirror right here. And then another mirror right here. Hey guys. At this nightstand, you got their phone. Here's the nice big king size bed. Lots of natural light actually in here, which I like. The TV. They got a lot of outlets, which I'm not mad about, but I don't need all of them. Here is the view, which is pretty nice, but I'm also just so high up that I really can't even see the street like that. I'm on the 22nd floor. Here's the desk area, which I like in case I want to eat, have leftovers, whatever, I can do that. They give you a little info sheet. And then for some people, you can get breakfast in the morning that's included in the price. I did not. Here's a 10% off your meal. Thank you, but I don't need this. If anything, I'm gonna just eat out and about and figure things out. They give you 2 complimentary waters, which thank you, I will drink that. For my coffee and tea people, we got that. And I don't know if I said it already. I'm sorry guys, but this is not a smart TV. It's sad. I'm really upset, but oh well. This was a really affordable lodging option, at least in my opinion, to be right smack dab pretty much in the middle of downtown Toronto. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I'll let you know in the description box how the bed actually feels when I sleep. But overall, I'm happy with the space. It looks pretty nice. Looks pretty nice, guys. But this is the Holiday Inn at 30 Carlton Street in Toronto downtown. Make sure you follow me for more room tours, more content. I'm on TikTok, IG, Facebook, all of that. Like, comment, and be on the lookout for another video. Thanks for watching.